In this video, I will show you step by step how you can see who has unsubscribed from your email list on Mailchimp. So first of all, once we're on our main page of Mailchimp, what we need to do is go to the left hand side bar here, scroll down to audience and then click on all contacts. Once we click on all contacts, we need to go over to the right hand side here, click on create new segment. And then once we click on this, what you need to do then is you want to come over to this side, click on the drop down menu for search a filter, and then you want to scroll down and click on email subscription status. Once we click on this, you will then get this right here. So email subscription status is one of, and then right here it says subscribed. So if you want to see the people that have unsubscribed, click on the drop down menu and then click on unsubscribed. Get rid of the subscribed one and then make sure this says unsubscribed right here. And then right under here, if you have got anyone that has unsubscribed from your email list, they will be listed under this section right here. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.